We ain't doing this anymore, okay? We're just not. We're just not. This could literally not have come at the most perfect time. About to show you guys what we're gonna do now. Okay, you cannot tell me that that doesn't look a million times better. Look. Ta-da! I know I can't be the only one who has the same issue, and hopefully my husband doesn't make me change anything about this because I'm a much happier person now. Especially because this is the kitchen counter, or one of the kitchen counters. This is also would be perfect for Christmas decoration lighting, 110%. This just happened to be my problem area for right now that I wanted to use this for right now. Snack in the orange card below if you're in need of one of these electrical towers. Play the vertical power strip by Tesson. All right, bye.